Hello. Hello Luigi, hello Selton, hello Soli. My microphone's back. Hello Uncount. What OST shall we pick for today? Hello Aginator. Mario Party 6. Alright, let's do it. Hello Just Dude. Ah, I picked the bad one. This is the one I want. My workout playlist is not good stream music. This is kind of really fucking loud. The hell did you join into? What do you mean? Anything wrong? What's the loud polka? Oh, that was the Mario Party OST. I just had it too loud on accident. Whoops. Oh shit, you can abuse the fuck out of inertia. Nope, that's not the level music. I did not put loud polka as the level music, I assure you. Hello Skyloft, hello Jeet, hello Magnificent Kirby, hello Magic Gamer, hello. It's Mario Wednesday. God, this shirt looks like shit on me. What the hell? Why do I look like a fat ass? What music do I listen to? All kinds. I need music with some hype. The music I listen to while I work out is very stereotypically gym douchebag music. Hello Rushed Qua. First time. Alright, we gotta make a good impression. So Blila doesn't join. Kidding. Your mid bulk, send your right wrist and come to pressing. Oh shit. Being on a bulk and not being able to do pressing, that sounds depressing. That pun was not intentional, but then I made the pun and I had to laugh about it. I do feel bad. I absolutely fucking do not play TF2. You know what, hating me for that pun is completely fair. Hey Leela. I did change my bench workout too. I used to do 225, 9 reps, 6 sets. Now I do 210, 12 reps, 5 sets. Just because my wrist was getting fucked. So I can emphasize. Somehow just holding the weight was just fucking up my wrist. Okay, Python is pain. Python doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look worse than any other programming language. I gotta do Python shit soon, as soon as Cozy tells me that I can implement quaternion animations. Hi Zena. You sit and wait? You're at your parents? What did you personally do for chest when your wrists were most gibbled? I just... Oh, you mean when my wrist was completely fucked like a year ago when I went to the doctor? I kept doing bench press, but I had to cut out skull crushers, I had to cut out curls, and I had to cut out pull-ups. Those were the ones I couldn't do. So my wrist was fucked in another way. Your wrist is probably fucked from gripping the weight so tight too, right? I hate doing this, but maybe like dropping the weight and working on the way you balance the weight on your wrist so you don't have to grip it as hard is possible. Yeah, I couldn't do curls for an entire year when my wrist was most fucked. I skipped an entire year of curls, dude. And I think that that my body is just really good at curls, like naturally, compared to the rest of my weights, my lifts. Like my curls are already like 53 pounds for my rep weight, which is ahead of my other lifts, I think. It was a rough year. What I did during that year for bicep instead was like pull-ups like this, right? But only hitting the bicep. It wasn't too bad. See you soon, Zena.
Bye, Zena.
Better. Thank you for the sub. How am I surprised that you're subbing every time you sub? Like something's wrong with me, isn't there? There's a few things wrong with you, I think. Oh, okay. Thanks. Do you guys think that Mario Party tournaments would be sick? That is truly something different, yes. Since when is that happening to you, Beta? Hello, Bloxel. Well, I mean like competitive, like completely serious. Like winning $1 million and developing strategies to play Mario Party. You know, that kind of thing. I want that to be professional Mario Party players. Alberta has his old outfit back, let's go. Fuck, I was about to make a parents aren't home yet joke. Our parents are definitely not at our home. What game would be best for it? Which Mario Party has the most skill component? Competitive dice rolling a thing. There are casinos. You can poker competitively. Hello, our tired field runner. Dude's having dreams at night about Simple Flips playing games with them. $100,000. Wait, that's only 1,000 booster packs? How fucking expensive are booster packs? There's no way booster packs are $101. Oh, shit. I completely misread that. Okay, that's kind of cool. Dude, if I was a billionaire, I would just like buy old Pokemon cards and open them. I would buy the boosters and open the old Pokemon cards. The answer is no, speedrunner. Even if I knew what that was, I wouldn't, because why would I? It gave a large population hand injuries. But that's not really... See, the thing is with that though, yes, there is like skill to it, to winning those, and same as the button mashing thing, but it's not really something you can practice very well. It's just like an inherent skill in you. So I don't like that, because there's no strategizing. It's like already clear what you have to do. Hello, Zomnia Wave. Yeah, winning 100k on Magic does sound pretty sick. I like that. Wait. The gyro ball? What the fuck is that? You can explain the exercise to me. I'm not gonna watch the video. Is it from a fixed decom source that makes SMC1 run 60 FPS? No, this is my 60 FPS code. Fazana wrote the base work, separating the CPU from the visuals, and then I improved to 60 FPS, so it looks good. Yes, this is RTYI. We gotta program the Goonies. That is the worst one, yes, better. I agree. I don't like that one. Or it's a bad one. It's not the worst one. There are multiple worst ones ever. I don't know which one's the most skill-based though. I don't think it's the first one. The first one has too many mashing and spinning games. Or maybe not the most skill-based one, but the most strategious one. I just want there to be a lot of strategy involved in the Mario Party minigames. I think Mario Party 2 or 3 could be valid here. They should make an anime? About what? I have to watch a 12-minute video to understand the exercise? Who came up with this? Is it like for physicists only? How intelligent do you need to be to get this exercise? Who can, like, are there like 15 steps to it? I also made this out of BioBag's model. See, BioBag wanted the model to be all black, and now he's calling me racist for not wanting that. But I thought it'd be a lot better. The profile is Mies. I'm being gaslit. You said Timmy's? That's what Zaina says. She saw the model, she goes, Timmy's! The plural is Mies. Does Mario think ACAB? I don't know. Don't you have to be really stupid to truly believe that? Does anyone actually believe that? A-cap. All Koopas are bad. That would be a fun thing to spray around the levels. Yes, this is Mario Galaxy now. Noted. Donation from Beta. Let's go. Okay, we do the same as with the Goonies. Weep shit, let's go. Kizunaya is your favorite Vocaloid? I thought you knew about the anime, huh? That's not true. She's not a Vocaloid, I think. Ah, fuck. Kizunaya is a Vocaloid. He's so much of a weeb I couldn't even fathom. Oh my god. I had no idea. That is crazy. We're almost done with Hunter x Hunter. Me and Zayna, we need a new anime afterwards. I'm thinking maybe South Park. Invincible is good watch. Invincible. That's also like about superheroes, right? I really like The Boys. I heard it's similar to that. I do not want to see Case after watching South Park. Why? Superheroes but good? Okay. I'm a bit scared that it's superheroes, but they all have romance with each other and stupid shit like that. Superheroes, but with girl drama. Hello, one up, Shy Guy. Badminton is probably my favorite sport. Badminton or table tennis. Tennis light. It is like tennis light. But tennis is too much running around. Fußball. I don't like football or soccer because the rules are just not clear to me. When I play football, I don't know how much I am allowed to run other people over and how much I'm not allowed to run other people over. That's my one issue with football. Like, if the rules were more clear, I would agree that it's great, but as it stands right now, I cannot like football. Just play rugby then? I don't think rugby is good though. Football's even worse because you don't even have to run people over for them to fall and cry. Yeah. I absolutely do not like American football, no. American football is good if you want to get a brain damage injury. The worst sport though, out of all sports that I know, the one I never got is, no, it's not the worst one, but like, Baseball and basketball are a complete mystery to me. Because like baseball, 90% of players just stand around and do nothing most of the time, right? Like you're not even playing. And basketball is supposed to be contactless. You're not allowed to touch other people. How are you supposed to play the game? I don't understand how basketball works. Didn't loop the animation. It's a ball, you hit the ball. Okay, but what if the player just holds it? Are you allowed to just touch it now? What if your enemy holds it and you like lash after it and the enemy like does this and now you touch his hand? Have you just committed a foul? Was that not allowed? Is that a foul? It's a foul, so you can just like rotate your hand and bait your enemy into just committing a foul. Pro wrestling is more like a collaborative sport than a competitive one. You're not allowed to hit the ball while they're holding it. So what if you just stand there and hold the ball forever? You'll get a penalty, so there's rules against it. Also, you have to keep bouncing the ball, and then as soon as you hold it, you only allowed to hold it for like a short period of time. And while you're bouncing the ball, someone can come and take the ball out of you. Okay. But the rule of not being allowed to touch each other is still very difficult to enforce, I think. I don't know cricket. I like badminton and table tennis because the rules are crystal clear. There's no second guessing the rules. Same with tennis. Pro baseball players do have the fattest ass for no reason. Well, I mean, maybe they have to sprint sometimes. I'm having a discussion about it's not hard to discern malicious intent. Why would that not be hard? Well, yeah, but even when there's not malicious intent, like even when you're just trying to get the ball, you can still accidentally touch the other player, which as far as I understand is not legal. Right, yeah, there's always going to be a blurry line between an honest play and like an honest mistake and an absolute foul. Well, yeah, but that's blurry then, right? The referee's judging is not going to be clear to you beforehand. Isn't there also a lot of time just people discussing with the referee because even the viewers themselves are not real what the rules were in that situation? There's also the issue that, you know, if it was within the rules of the sport to just run someone over, I would do it. But if I'm unsure whether that's allowed or not, I don't feel comfortable doing it. That's the case in all sports. That's not the case in badminton and table tennis and tennis. Which is why I like those sports. Or even fucking darts, I guess. The sports that have refs. Yeah, but no one's contesting the decisions. There's always a clear, correct decision. That's a huge difference to me. And you can't break the rules there. I mean, you could just run off the place into your enemy's field, but you would just lose instantly. You can't break the rules accidentally. Well, it's just an example. Running someone over is just a stand-in for saying, in general, doing something that would be considered douchey, right? Because like, if both players know that we are allowed to run each other over, and they agree to play the sport with me, then I'm gonna run them over, if I can, because they have agreed to that before and they knew that was gonna happen. If it's not within the rules to do that, then I would feel like an asshole for doing it. I've never played ice hockey. Alright, I think we got the seagulls star done. Now we just need to add the computer for the Easter egg. You would love ice hockey? Those fuckers are ruthless. I don't know if I would like the sport. I'm not saying that I want a sport that is ruthless. I'm saying that I want to have very clear-cut rules. The boy, I have no idea what process me when I went up and just started kicking him in the shins whenever he had the ball. I just straight up told my family I'm gonna kick Brandon in the shins, and then teacher thought I was just like getting really into the game and he cheered me on. Yeah, see? Exactly my point. You want it to be a separate room? I think a separate room gives it too much importance, and players might get confused and think it's something that they're actually supposed to interact with. Well, no, in football, if you accidentally hit someone in the shin while going for the ball, that's legal. So his teacher just didn't see the malicious intent. No, I don't want that biomic. It gives it too much importance. I don't like any of these. I think I'm just gonna put kind of something like this actually. A high school PE teacher, it's literally a teacher with a degree ruling for you. That is realistically more than you're gonna have when you're just playing for fun. Do I know any good Banjo-Kazooie fan games that are good? I know a few good ones, but I don't know any that are good. Such a fucking dumbass. I almost feel sorry. Tech meeting there would be suspicious too, and players would be confused even more so because we are gonna see it then in the hidden room. Then we just can't do it. How do we do it then? I mean, there's not a big deal about a computer. It's just gonna be a thing here. It's fine. I don't think a computer's gonna be that suspicious. Separate room would be way more. I think there are a few Banjo-Kazooie hacks in the F3 submissions, which is cool.
Who's right here?
Who's right here? Instagrammen, that's not a word. I know. It's a word, yeah. Andosia's right. I think there's officially a word now in German. I'll just do something like this with two small displays and a button here. Modernized OOT would be very cool. What does it mean? It means to, I guess, to take a picture of yourself and put it on Instagram. Speech, thank you for your true fans. No, not putting weird things like that in. Could change the way you collect the Ori collector sector and get punished for collecting again and get thrown out of the level. What would you get instead? Like 10 coins? I wouldn't download a car. I would absolutely download a car. Anyone who says that they wouldn't download a car is a dumbass. Donation again. From Beta again. When the 96 RTYIC go? Yep. Did you make this? That's funny. Und das heißt... Erika. You made it, you were bored. There's no way you made it, you're lying. The fact that you say that you made it makes me think you lied. Had you said that you didn't make it, I would think that you would have made it. And I don't know why. Someone on the Case-Watch channel asked me to change the donation music. I thought that was funny. Don't take this offense. I will not take the offense. Yeah, they thought I put it on purpose so that it always plays Erika when someone donates or something. Fuck you, kids. You know what? This is convincing me a little bit more. But before I believe you, you need to put the text on the model. And I'm kidding. Fine, I'll believe you. You made it. And we have muscles and controls that require 2 hands instead of 3. We have to reach all the buttons, so we can use the C buttons as camera control. But then how do you use items? It's German with a really bad accent, yes. Oh, you wanna use a modern controller? Okay, yeah, yes. That makes sense, I guess. I mean, on a GameCube controller like this, you could put the camera here and have Y, X, and Z for the abilities. Or the items, rather. That's what I would do. I think that's what the GameCube demo did. Although that made playing the ocarina weird. I should just take the textures from one of these. Aperture? Wait, why is it called Aperture? Isn't the company called Aperture? Did I have it wrong this whole time? Fix this bug? No. Never. Wait, it's the song. Did you guys know that there's a better version of the song? It happened to you on stream? What? You were talking about it calls you the B. Oh, the B word. Wait, what? Oh, N word. Okay. And everyone on stream was talking about it would have been like one of the other, and I like this most familiar one. Do you have the clip for me? I need to see the clip. Play it? Fine, I will play it. I don't see a bug so far. That is a bug. I want to see that clip. I need to send it to BroDude. This doesn't look like a keyboard, this looks like teeth. How do I make it look like a keyboard? Since you mean to me the next version will have 7 million more polygons. Oh no, Biomech is developing my hack for me on render 96. Biomech's putting my hack on the PC port because I am mean to him. You know, now that I've cleaned my file, I think the old version of FOSS64 is a lot faster than the new one. It's a bit weird. You're not alone, it's faster for you too, the old one. That is really sad because Cozy's put so much work into the new version. If the new version was slower, that would be really sad. I don't want to tell him. The guy typing the message could not possibly need 2 keyboards. What if he also does other stuff? He's bilingual, yes, exactly. But the separate computer is too confusing. Imagine someone just walks in on the computer and then they think for way too long what to do with it. Or they think a regional coin is over there. And then they keep interacting with it and trying to find it out. Bro, that yikes moment. Alright, let's see this.
Thing first, or what's up here? This is the third. Need 75 plus.
Wait, I don't think you're in the right level here.
So I can beat the game with 75, and I just already have. Wait, what? Stop trying to beat
Oh,
the
that's...
door and get more.
No. There's a way worse moment. He says nibba here. That's like, yeah, it's supposed to be the word, right? But like it's a purposeful misspelling. It's supposed to be the funny version. It was like a meme in 2019. No, he goes hard R in another hack. There's another hack where if you do a glitch to clip something, he calls you the N-word with hard R. In all caps. He even goes like stupid N-word. You will do it for me? Alright, Biobag, fine. If you do it, I will leave you. I will abandon my creation as it is right here. Battering. I hate that I know what it is because one of those Discord degenerates told me, and it was like a 16-year-old kid that told me what a bad dragon is. I did not enjoy that. It's not okay. No one cared that Brother called. I mean, no one who's seen it cared. I guess if the wrong person saw it, they would care a lot. God, dude, there's like a 12-year-old black kid I know that plays Mario 64 Hex. Imagine he plays that broader deck. Oh god. Oh god. That would be not good. I'm not playing Mario 64 Madness again, no. The racist Wiggler. I love how I was playing it and Mushi in chat told me, Case, no, don't fight the Wiggler, trust me. Like, now I'm gonna do it even more, and I regret it. Okay, we need to do the next star. You found the Erika YouTube comments? Oh yeah. People really don't like the song, huh? Too many Nazi memes, of course. Okay, big lucky thunder in the sky, causing clouds to appear. Climb as clouds to defeat him for a star. This clears the cloudy sky. Oh shit, Xena wanted to make the cloudy sky. Dude, when I told Xena of the idea to just make a hack in 7 days, she was really on board. She wanted to help. Even though it would be like 12 hours of work a day, she definitely wants in. That's kind of cool. Hi, Struggle. Oh, that's a cool animation. Sliding into my chat. Couple goals. True. Should the screen language as seagulls R2 so the players understand it controls the text on the building? Nope. Who is Guardians of the Galaxy? Super Mario 32 too? Yeah, kinda. I still wanna do that. We just have to come up with new level concepts. And then we actually have to go and do it this time instead of making a full hack like this. How do I make this look classy? This is M32. At first I was planning to make a Mario 64 hack in 32 days. That's what we noted down a lot of level themes, but in the end I ended up using most of these level themes for Return to Yoshi's Island. And Mario 32 was cancelled. Yeah, it would be built on the RTYI engine, so it would easily run on N64. That would be the idea. I have to brainstorm a bunch of ideas, and I want 3 Bowser boss fights that are not just generic throw Bowser into spikes. Right, and we have to finish each level in like 4 hours if we're gonna do it in a week. This Lingus... That does look really sick. I wonder if I can do it without. If you can show me how it's done, maybe I can think of a cheaper way to achieve this effect. Also, it's not called fill rate. Fill rate doesn't exist. People keep using that word as if it means something. It's not real. I know you need it, that's why I use it. How nice of you. Bioback is my favorite chatter, now even more. Pain. Count Xanax per second, call that pill rate. Let's go. I wonder if there's not a disproportionate ratio of people talking about Xanax and people actually being depressed and on Xanax, and what all this means for society. Look, it's not easy to pick the right texture, okay? You have to be careful with this. Then AI generated. Do you know how long it takes to generate an image from an AI? Way too long. Bockwurst or Bratwurst? Bockwurst easily. Bratwurst makes me feel sick. Bockwurst tastes very good. I used to buy just bags of bockwurst to eat them. Yeah, but we probably have to customize the input a lot and try around a lot. Gross? Why? You prefer Bratwurst? The ice cap? The ice cap is used in a few levels, yes. It might also make a return in this level, just for like small stuff. Do I look like a sausage guy? You don't look like a guy at all. Popped half a Zen and I'm out like a light. Like, are you bragging about that? Wait, what? What kind of brag is that? I took drugs and now I'm knocked out. Yeah, I'm bragging. How's it a brag? Too bad. Too bad that you don't look like a guy. I think that is perfectly fine. I think I prefer women to not look like guys. Oh god, this is... Are you gonna do the same thing as with the guy that said that he likes the hair? Wait, no, just cut off your hair. You're just gonna start looking like a guy. You're gonna get a mustache. Trigger warning, SketchUp. Oh, I see. How can we achieve this? Oh, I see, that makes sense, Trigger. So it's like the same texture, but it's like displaced by a pixel over and over. The problem is that I can't get any depth. Yes, I can put these on top of each other, but not with depth. So... don't know how that would work out. No, I can't make this effect work. Very sad. Yeah, I can do the overlaying of like 4 textures without any extra lag, but not the depth, so it's just lost. It would take 20 milliseconds to render the whole screen like that, so I can tell you that would drop the FPS a lot. I don't need to try it. That's kind of neat looking. Okay, we still haven't thought about how you actually get up in this thing. Also, I agree that some of the power-ups are underused. Beta again! Oh my god. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know what to do about the underused power-ups. I mean, I guess the cloud power-up is used a lot, which is good. There are some power-ups that I didn't even program yet, so they're also not in the game yet. Which textures to big material 29. Is that you? Nope. You. You don't have to use them a lot anyway. Huh. I mean, the bomb power was kind of used in 1 star. I don't know. We can improvise a few things. I think we mostly want to use them for the green stars. And the cloud cap is used in 1 part. Hello, Davey. I forgot to add the fog to this. Cool. I expect you to have a power-up shop for 1 star, makes the stuff here more unique. A power-up shop? Show up? Nah, I don't think that's necessarily good. I think each power-up should have at least 3 stars. Well, power-ups can also just be a bonus, right? It's been a while since that was really common, Davey. Hello, Dawn. Let me think about how this could maybe use a power-up. We can just put a regional coin for the ice cap here. Where like you get the ice cap and then you run out and you do something. No, using it to defeat Lucky 2 is not good, because Lucky 2 is part of the main storyline for this level, so you would just be locked out of experiencing what this level is about. Yeah, Ice Cap would be good for a region coin here. The Ice Cap is also in course 4, where you can use it to skip part of the level. Right, so the Ice Cap already has 3 uses pretty much. The wing cap is only used in the Dino area, which is fine by me. We still have plenty of places to use it. We're gonna have a bunny suit that you will be able to use in Bunny Brushwoods if you really want to. It might be able to use that for some of the Yoshi bonus stars. Right, I think a generally good idea we can do is that we have stars just be accessible normally, but then the Yoshi challenges appear, and that's where you really need the power-up. That's a general idea that works, yeah, Bioback. It's Mario. Mario can't be in a bunny suit. I mean, the idea was that instead of 3 side courses and 3 cap courses, we would just have 6 cap courses. Powerbomb power, but left and right not courses per stage. Yes, I am aware. We did keep that in mind. Okay, how do we enter the lighthouse? Or maybe we should put the red coins already. I feel like if we put the red coins in the red coin spots, that's gonna give this level a lot of structure. Can you put a businessman in the window doing coke after hours? No. I mean, yes, I can, but I won't. You spend cash in a day, put your left going back on Joe somewhere? What else would you do? Throw them away? And I guess, so we have the ice cap, the cloud cap, the wing cap, the bunny cap, the bomb cap, and we had like a dry bones cap that would allow you to walk in lava. No, I'm not struggle. They wanted me to move to Vancouver and I said no. They wanted me to first gain experience, so I was gonna work at the company that works with Microsoft for the performance team. And they wanted me to move to Vancouver. And that is not for me. How's the Final Fantasy research? I'm still working on it. That's also just like one guy. That's not an official company hiring me. And I've gathered a lot of info. I have to learn quite a bit about Windows assembly before I can really continue on the project. So I haven't been able to make a lot of progress these last few days, unfortunately. But so far it's been a pretty fun project. You don't ask me for advice? How would I ask you on advice? Can you teach me Windows assembly? I know I was gonna ask you to teach me Final Fantasy, but I just set up a server with a bunch of enemies running around and I didn't need to learn the game. So I didn't need to learn Final Fantasy after all. That would have been a waste of time to learn the game. Yes, but I'm not known with Windows assembly yet. I've obviously learned N64 assembly before. You're a Bachelor of Game Development now? You're gonna teach me Windows assembly after all? Perhaps. Yo, Davey! Thank you for the 3 months. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I need 2 more spots for red coins, and they're probably gonna be around here. Biotech. He's finally become one of us. He has finally abandoned his ketchup ways. Maybe you do, maybe you're secretly a programmer. I guess we'll never know. Anything about adding 64DD features? I think 64DD is just worse in every way. So no. Guess you won't. I will never know whether you actually know Windows Assembly. I think I can make an educated guess. Drink water? Shit. Any reward? Well, I can't really give out any rewards considering that putting any of my content behind the paywall would be illegal. Nintendo would literally just come and murder me. DD, but Crystal said DDD. True, true. Can't argue with facts. Yeah, if I gave out any ROMs to anyone, just from Patreon perks, it would just be illegal. They could just completely take me down and everything. I'm surprised how well the merch sale has been going. Like, they didn't stop me at all. I thought there'd be some backlash. Well, they aren't literally gonna kill me, but they are going to sue me. They're going to sue the shit out of me. That's why I can only do credit after videos. What kind of DD features can you add? You can use more disk space. That's it. But you also couldn't stream music anymore, so your game would be a bit laggier. Development on the 64DD would just be worse than on this console here. Really, I don't see any advantages to it and a bunch of disadvantages. There was also an Ocarina of Time hack that was made for the 64DD. And setting up the 64DD was so fucking annoying that I just said I'm not gonna play it, just give me the Z64 ROM. And they did it. They released the Z64 like hours after. Do I think I could take you out? As in like kill you, or as in like take you out to dinner? Because I could do both. Please? I'd rather not kill you. Yo, thanks for the 24. 2 years. Holy shit. That is half an eternity. Yes, the coins are 60 FPS. Huh. There are a few troublesome issues here. I think the jumps here are all too big. I don't like that the player has to jump so high. I want to make that easier. Is there maybe a batched off game design in chat that has an idea on how to fix this? On how to make the jumps smaller? I have both installed, Bio. This one here is still 2.83. Kill UV on the one building. Thank you. Oh, Luigi has a song. I have to do something about these windows. Yeah, I want to make them different variations, so it's not all the same. So I'm gonna do something about them as well. Wait, what's this up on tier 2? Let's go, that's nice. UV still fucked. This is the best you're gonna get. The SMG4 outro. Spending like a week. Bioback is gonna start on a game design company and he's gonna become the building guy. I can see it. B-Talk has a song too. Yours goes after this. I think I prefer this. Nope, we have not had to make the cum shake yet. I want to put something on the buildings that Mario can jump on, so that jumping to the next building becomes easier. Because I don't want the player to do big jumps like that all the time. I can already add jiggle physics if I really wanted to. I thought you were talking about Mario's nose and not Peach. Sus? Who is Sus? Alright, now the next one. Do I maybe just put like ramps somehow? To one of these? Yeah, something like that is what I was thinking. Banger. He's got the rescue Daisy. Man, this is kinda sick. Imagine being alive at the same time as the song was relevant. This is an actual thing. This is all just made up by YouTube people. A jump pad. Ooh, I like a jump pad idea. I mean, both can work. That one fades in and out on a cycle. Oh, I see what you mean. No, the problem is not between buildings, the problem is gaining height. So a ramp-like thing works. I'm just right now thinking about how a ramp would look like without being too many polygons. Maybe like a ramp. Yes, there will be a boss on this level. Hello, Lila. We haven't hidden the retro pipe anywhere yet. That will be something. Your high school is having a Pluton fest. That sucks, man. What is poutine? Wait, let me guess. It's bread with sugar. And it's warm. One of these. Oh. I gotta think of a way to make it look Vaporwavy. Poutine is gravy and fries. And cheese. What the fuck? Gravy and fries with cheese. That sounds like... It's like, how do you guys invent new food? Is it just like you Google, oh, what's gonna give you a heart attack, and then you just combine it because you know it's gonna be tasty? Oh, poutine is Canadian. I might be forced to say that I like it then, just so my Canadian PR application is more likely. A Zogia version of nachos. That sounds horrifying. Another song request. Heart Attack Grill, I've heard of that before. How's your day? Day's going fine. Can't put in this fries, no idea what the craze between them is, but damn it's tasty. Huh. Look at what's happening with my automat here. Look at this. Leela in shambles. The restaurant spokesman, 575 pounds, Blair River, died on March 1, 2011, age 29. That is the funniest death in the entire world. Wait, the Quebec and the French like each other? I thought they hated each other for some reason. Can I optimize your life? You just need to cut out all the unnecessary parts. You need a sleep schedule, and you need to stick to your sleep schedule. There, life optimized. Bye, Biobec. Have fun. Going wherever you're going. Hello, iMash. It's a cool layout for Blender. It's almost a standard one. I didn't realize that. Well, that's... yeah, I made you a failed comedian. I don't think anyone else got that though in my defense. Real life doesn't run on polygons, it runs on voxels. I am Amy Schumering you. More like, yeah, actually. I was gonna say you got Amy Schumered, but like, I am doing it to you, that's also fair. You got it, I am just dumb. Okay, thank you, Lila. Thank you for your input. I think this works. What resolutions are they? They are all over the place, but typically they are around 32 by 64 or 64 by 64. Why is Amy Schumer famous? She must have done something right to become famous, right? You can't optimize the RAM to fit more data into your hardware. You literally just suggested me to download more RAM, NeoVim. She might have given blowjobs for exposure. Oh. But isn't she really ugly? Why would anyone want that? Would this fit the Vaporwave perfectly? No. Not at all. This is also... This doesn't run on N64 very well because it's super laggy. Free blowjob, fair. I guess you don't have to look at her. Can make it run well, you just need some physics changes. Well, if you wanted to actually make it run well, you should just remake it from the ground up. Because the entire principle of what he's done is just not what is optimal. You should program it to work on raycasts that transform into object space, rather than transforming the entire world around Mario. LMAO. Why is Amy Schumer's dead and over? What are you talking about? We're talking about Amy Schumer. And we're wondering why she's successful and famous. So I think a jump platform would be really cool here. I just need to make it look sick. I have an idea. We could... I have a really cool idea. I'll just do it. And then I'll show you. And you guys have no clue what my idea is. For the jump platform. I have a cool idea for the visuals of the jump platform. Just do it, more like just stop it doing. The more you say it, the more you look genuinely desperate for animated dinosaur cock. True. Please don't stop with the penis joke. Please keep going, please. Please. I came here just to read about penis jokes. Why would you stop? That ruins my entire day. Somehow this didn't turn out the way I thought it would. Yeah, this is supposed to be a spring. So I'm thinking of making this like a glowing color. And then we have it pressed in the ground, and when Mario jumps on it, it just shoots up. And we can use primitive color to make this in different colors here. think he really wants animated dinosaur cock. And I don't know why. Anyone else think that he wants animated dinosaur cock? Should we do him the favor? Hello, obsessed. I don't want to get banned from YouTube. I don't want Yoshi cock in the game. I mean, if you added it, I wouldn't be mad. But like, it's you know, it's just a joke. But you know, if you did add it, that would be cool. It's just a joke, though. You have a sneaking suspicion he wants Yoshi cock? I wonder why. Why would you think that he wants it? I mean, did he give any indication of that? Here are a few Minecraft textures, I don't know how many, I never counted. What's the game shot code to add a cock to Yoshi? You know, that would be possible. You could make a game shot code that kinda looks like adding a cock to Yoshi. I could do it. Do it on stream. That'd be difficult. It takes like 10 minutes. No? Leela, try to make a game shortcode for that. Tell me how it takes 10 minutes. You're more than 10 minutes. I have to 3D model a polygonal cock using only Project 64 RAM viewer if I want to make a game shortcode like that. Cocks are easy to model though. In the hex editor? Just talking about the Yoshi pet chicken. Oh. Have you ever modeled in a hex editor, Leela? What kind of questions did I exactly? You have not. It's difficult. I have modeled an hex editor before. Not everyone would say no to that question. I had to. Back in the stone ages of ROM hacking, that's all we had. I think you have permanently bullied a viewer into unsubbing by talking about Yoshi cock. If I did, then I think that's the funniest shit ever. Oh fuck, who's calling me? It's my dad, 1 second. Moin? Hey. Oh, sehr gut. Per E-Mail, okay, ich guck kurz nach. Moment. Ja, das sieht ja richtig aus. Ich denke, das sollte als Rechnung gelten, oder nicht? Ja, schicke ich beim Steuerberater. Perfekt. Ja, aber ich habe mit dem per E-Mail Kontakt. Ja, aber da ist es ja nicht alles sortiert. Ich habe das ja alles sauber sortiert in Rechnungen und Einnahmen und alles. Ja, das ist besser für den so. Ja. Ja, wenn ich die überhaupt brauche. Ich glaube, das kriegt er so hin. Ja, ich glaube, es geht. Das reicht. Nee, hier ist deutlich besser. That was my dad. I had to talk to him real quick. Did I say hi to him? I did not. I just told him 70 people are watching me talk to you right now. I should hang up. Dude, I hate these small textures. They're literally just cluttering up my folders. These don't deserve to live anymore. Goodbye, all of you. Flexing my viewers to my dad. Was I supposed to just say, oh, I don't want to talk to you, hey, bye bye? No, I had to tell him. I got shit to do. Shut up, please shut up, why? Wie laufen die Rechnungen? I got all my Rechnungen right here. In case I wasn't talking to you, Jesus Christ. Okay, calm down. Don't get upset at me, little miss. As long as you live and chat under my roof. It's my rules. Animated Python cock? You don't need to know about programming. Programming is suffering. No one should know about programming. I like programming, shut up case. Programming is suffering. Doesn't matter whether you like programming, as soon as you actually program something that is not a project that is done within a week, it will turn into suffering. Don't you like programming? Programming is labor. I would enjoy it if I did it like an hour a day, but not if I do it 8 hours a day. Case is becoming a jock. Case reminds me of my high school bully. It's fine until you have to work someone else's code. I don't even mind that. Dude, I hate programming memes where people just go like, haha, look how bad I am at programming, so quirky. Trash. Stop talking to me. That's my thought when I hear that. Why are people making jokes about how bad they are at programming? You should be ashamed of that and get better. You make jokes about being bad at everything. Get better. I don't like self-deprecating humor. Case, you're pretty self-detrimental at times. I am my own detriment. Yes, of course. Actually, I guess that depends on what your reward function is. In which sense do you believe that I am self-detrimental? I've already made a Ghost Race Mario 64 thing, know you. The problem with making something to race against your own PBs is that if you did that, you would cost more like on N64, so any kind of valid runner would not care, because that's different. In AI that needs a reward function? No, but to define the word detriment you need a reward function. I don't like this texture. How long is this song? Way too long. I don't like how this looks. This looks bad. That's a lot better. What? My last explosion effect was completely fire. My last explosion effect was so cool. How can you say it looks bad? You have no taste at all. The colors look terrible. Lila has no taste at all. Can you guys believe that Leela has no taste? No taste still. Doesn't like the explosion. Send us a program. Yes! It's called Super Mario 64 Ghost Race. I made it. But I think Nintendo took down the video. So, unlucky. Chugging Monster Energy. What do you think? Do you think I'm a Monster Energy chucker? You wanna have Super Mario XD? Is it not on romac.com? They didn't put Super Mario XD on here. Wow. That's a huge loss. Arthur Tilley is the one that made this, by the way. I want everyone to reach out to Arthur Tilley on Discord and tell him to add Super Mario XD. It was part of his job description. Oh no, this fucking song. This song makes you go insane after a while. Yes, Arthur also made the Gravity Swap pack. I think there were a bunch of people that added all the hacks to the website, but I'm pretty sure Arthur was one of them. So yes, you can go and harass him about it. This shouldn't have a texture. Now that I see this, I don't want a texture anymore. I'm giving it some real thought. You think an animated Yoshi card would be good? You know, I'm really second guessing my decision not to add an animated Yoshi card now. Maybe Just Dude was right. You think this works as a jump platform? You stab on, you fly up. Leela lost subscriber status. How very sad. I guess Leela is not a super fan anymore. Which time are we? Dialogues, I know. You like cheese? No, I hate it. Kay said with the most I don't care face ever. Look, I have a hard time having a face that shows that I care, but deep down I care a lot. Promise. I hate you, Case. That makes me very sad. Did I just utter a bad opinion again? I didn't even notice. Oh, you guys like cheese. Jesus. So disgusting. I like cheese because it seems like the only Mario 64 speedrunner who seems to like the game at all. Dude, speedrunners always look so miserable when you see them. They always look like the saddest people in the entire world on their webcam. I would never call speed fast, how fast things go. I would call it like fastness. Rate of movement. You know what? I should think of a dumb variable name for it. Just to like fuck off, piss off fill rate sayers. It's appropriate. You know, fill rate is wrong because fill rate is not the rate of fill. It's something you wanna increase rather than reduce. So. Yeah, we're gonna call, instead of speed, we're gonna say movement time. That's just as wrong. Gonna rename all the speed variables into movement time velocities variables. Anti-friction? No, just friction. We want it to be wrong. We need it to be wrong. Because people say fill rate and that's wrong. I should just do... Is that correct? Or you could piss off Case. My choice is made. Case is the smartest caveman known to man. True. I'm like the caveman from JoJo. I think I can simplify this code a bit. Case doesn't randomize. Actually, that's annoying. Imagine you want to add a feature and they say it's useless. I wonder if that ever happened to anyone else. Like me, maybe. Okay. So there are some things about it that work and some things that don't work. I think overall though, good try. How do you like your bacon? Crunchy. Chocolation, here we hydrate. Not truly, no. People just keep saying that because it's a cope. Random range is significantly less useful than having 2 more frames to play with. Meme review? It's images only. But fine. Well, that's not how I like my bacon. I don't like that sound. Alright, what do we have here? Another word. I want you to know what degree of fried bacon do you like? I'll take 4. You like yours chewy. I don't like chewy food. It keeps getting stuck between my teeth. That's better. Or else what? Can't say live on Twitch. Still not good, doesn't seem to come from the bouncy boy. What do you mean? Looks perfect to me. It seems off. What seems off? What is it? Who is it? Does it not say visual ASMR in the bottom? It's always visual ASMR. The sound? The sound's coming from the object. It is programmed to come from there. That would be cool, but not what I want to do. The PR was ignored because of you? You did the stupid? How do we feel about Tron's star boss fight, like with the light circuits? Who is Tron? But we already have a boss fight planned. It's gotta fit the Lucky Thunder concept. The movie. I don't know that movie. AD00FF. You pay out the development branch instead of 2.1. Last time I checked, they don't allow you to edit the non-development branch. No, maybe that's because I was using the in-website version of the editor. Or maybe they just don't like you to edit the main version. PRing it, editing it, whatever. It's all the same to me. It's called a request for some reason. Then why did they not allow me to do it? That sucks. You're trying to edit? Yes. I was trying to do a PR using the edit button. So they allow anyone to PR, but they allow no one to edit? No, I couldn't even PR because I couldn't edit. But I thought that the edit button only leaves you to PR. Which means that was my attempt to PR using the edit button. I edited the owner's stupid branch. But I already said to the people in Discord, there's so much stupid fucking drama over me trying to PR, and then I don't want to do that again. So I'm just never gonna PR to it again. Or try to PR. It's too annoying. My ROM is crashing. They were on the right? No. Absolutely not, in my opinion. Fix the boosters. To fix the boosters, we need to do all of these things at once. We need to have the proper collisions, which means that we have to do the collision map first. So fixing the boosters right now would be silly. For some reason my game doesn't boot. Instead of asking how to do it properly, they wanted me to follow a 7-step tutorial because I want to make a 1-line change. I'm not doing that. And I think that is perfectly reasonable. Maybe GCC back again. I don't know what it could be. This is very weird. Did I actually change something in here? Lila, I don't have the repo. If I wanted to PR using GitHub desktop or the command line, I would have to clone the repo and set everything up and figure out the command line comments and log into GitHub on my PC and edit it in the folders, and then I can PR. Yeah, I'm not doing it. No way. I'm done with it. It just gets more and more annoying. If they want my code from now on, they can just copy it out of Discord. I know that it's not hard, but it's unnecessary waste of my time. It should be fairly simple to understand. And people getting so upset over me just saying, no, I don't want to do a 7-step tutorial when I can just press the edit button. Anyway, is this a random ROM misalignment or something? Just like the sound bug? If that is it, this is very annoying. What's PC specs do you have? I kind of have a shitty graphic card and like a GTX 1050 and 12 cores at 3.5 gigahertz. Blah blah blah, Ryzen something something. Adding this code crashes. That is very weird. Oh, for one, the parameter should always... the parameter should be 1 and 5. I gotta do something like this. But that would not cause a crash, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I need to align this in the LD file. Oh, but it says fill literally right here. Ha! It is aligned already. This is very weird. Just an experiment. It works if I do that. It doesn't work like this. It's a stupid alignment bug. Yeah. I'll just do this. Easiest way around alignment bug, just add a bunch of stop functions. Alright. I think this will be a cool platforming star. He said the ramstrings, I have contact, therefore I take ownership. This is B-Talk's game now. These are B-Talk's ladders. I think I added 2 of them. Want me to put a sign on them that says B-Talk? Like a texture that just says your name on it? I'm not going to do it, but like I'm asking if you want me to. My birds don't move enough. They are fairly non-moving, I agree. It wouldn't hurt them to be more alive. They don't wobble? They do wobble. In the air? Oh yeah. They're not going up and down. I could add that real quick. I somehow completely just forgot to do that. Oh, that's what I lost for corners. Alright, let's add the red coin, the bird animation, and then the red coins are done. What did you miss? We made the whole red coin store. And now we animate birds. Wait, shit. That's what we want. What a sweet little squeaker. He is a squeaker. Of course you can add translations, but only to the first bone. That will be something weird when I add quaternion animations. There, now they go up and down. She like the squeaking toy. You know that my squeaking toy is called Yoshi? Does he count as one of my Yoshis, by the way? My squeaking toy? I have him from Canada too. My squeaky Yoshi. Is trigonometry slower than to calculate? It depends. Trigonometry can be faster and it can be slower. So for example, right here it is faster to compute one through the other, but the first time it's faster to just use trigonometry. I think they should have added one with it and they should go down much faster. That could look good, yeah. Oh, okay, struggle. I will count him in. Ugh. I think I'm done for today. That's a fair point, Bioback. That might be worth considering. But I don't want to do it right now. I'll be going offline for now. And I'll see you guys in the next stream, which is gonna be tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye Struggle, bye Justude, bye Btark. Bye bye Bioback. Bye Shy Guy. Bye Citrial.